of things to talk about. I will be talking first. The first two things. So the first thing we will be talking about is this bookend. You use this so your books don't fall down. Even though people these days don't read, you never know when this can come in handy. Come up and get a closer look of it.
Yep, that's a bookend.
Oh yes, lovely. Only 97 cents. Sale. Now, next on our things to talk about is soap. So, we'll be talking about this fancy hand soap that is almost gone. It's called Vanilla Bean Noel. Or, yeah, Vanilla Bean Noel. It's very fancy. Because it's in a fancy bottle like this, and it's even foamy. Yeah, isn't that nifty?
That it'd be.
Now, while I am getting this washed now, I will be back. Follow me so I can show you how to use the soap.
I am going.
No! You're going to follow me so I can show you how
God.
to use it properly.
You hurry up. You know, the longer this video is, the less viewers we get.
Turn the water on. Rub your hands together.
Very good. Very nice.
Then you go. And then okay. Now
Alright. Next on things to talk about, we will be talking about these shutter shades. They make you look really cool, even if you're lame, which we all know is true. And next, we're going to talk about armpits. So, armpits is the area under your arm, which I will not be showing my armpits, because my armpits are private, and I like to keep them private, but you can look at Maria's armpits right behind you. Ooh, that's a sexy armpit. Okay, now, Maria will talk about her stuff.
next on things to talk about, we'll talk about this toothbrush. Now turn it on. What do you do? Slide it up. It kind of makes this noise. You hear this noise?
Mm-hmm.
And then while this spins around, it's vibrating up and down so you can get a perfect smile, like me. Then, next on things to talk about, we will talk about the super bouncy ball. Now, I will show you how it works. Very super, very bouncy, and it is a rubber ball. It's very fun to play with.
Very nice. Okay, and last, I'm going to talk about this giant rubber. Very big. You can do almost anything with this rubber band. And our last item to talk about, things to talk about, is Maria's head. So if Maria would just come here. That's Maria. Say hi.
Hi!
And this is Maria's head. Lovely, isn't it? So that's it on things to talk about.
Comment and rate below.